Demystify Crepes. As I recently indulged in one of my guilty pleasures, I was shocked to discover not a single contestant on the show knew how to make a crepe. This is surprising not only because these wannabe chefs know they are going on national television with Michelin chef Gordon Ramsay, but because, well, crepes, a staple of French cuisine, aren't all that tough. So if the thought of making a crepe makes you panic, this post is for you. How to use crepes. Crepes, a sort of thin pancake, are wonderfully versatile. They're great for breakfast, or lunch, or dinner, or dessert. Depending upon what you add to them, they can either be savory or sweet. And you can make a fantastic crepe with whatever ingredients you happen to have on hand. How to make a crepe. A basic crepe includes nothing more than 1 cup milk, 1 egg, 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon flour, 1/2 tablespoon melted butter, 8 teaspoons butter, and a pinch of salt. Begin by placing the egg in a blender and blending for about 3 minutes. Then, add the milk, flour, melted butter, and salt. Blend until smooth. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours and up to 8 hours, but be sure to bring the batter to room temperature before proceeding. Using either a crepe pan or an ordinary non-stick skillet, melt 1 teaspoon of butter and coat the pan. Lift the pan so it's at an angle and pour just 2 tablespoons of batter into the center. Spread the batter by tilting the pan in all directions, but don't allow the batter to go up the sides of the pan. Cook until the underside of the crepe is golden, usually no more than 2 minutes. With a spatula, loosen the crepe's edges, then flip and cook for another minute or so, until browned. Transfer to a plate, insert desired fillings, and serve. Pro tips for making Demystify Crepes. You don't have to blend the eggs by themselves first, but this extra step makes the crepes much lighter and fluffier. For sweeter crepes, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar to a basic recipe. The trick to getting a nicely rounded crepe is to swirl the batter around the warm pan quickly. If you've managed to get holes in a crepe as it's cooking, pour a small amount of batter over the hole, using a spoon. The patches will show, unless you cover them with a topping. To prevent overbrowning, check the first side of the crepe after cooking only about a minute. Check the second side after 30 seconds. If you'll be making many crepes, keep them warm by putting them on a plate in a 200-degree oven.